Hello friends, my name is Jasnoor and today I am here to present a presentation on topic gathering priced components into a tender submission. So here's the introduction. In today's presentation, we will explore about the fundamental aspects of supplier quotations, soliciting competitive and accurate bids, evaluating quotations, assessing quality compliance and cost competitiveness, and employing negotiation techniques to secure a favorable pricing and contractual terms. So here are the topics we are covering in this presentation. First one is strategies for sourcing supplier quotations, soliciting competitive and accurate quotations, criteria for evaluating quotations, quality compliance and cost competitiveness assessment, and the negotiation techniques for favorable pricing and contractual terms. So in strategies for sourcing supplier quotations, so I further divide into 4 steps like building a strong supplier network, a request for quotations, a request for information, negotiation and comparison. So first one is building a supplier network. So developing relationships with the wide range of suppliers in the construction industry is really helpful, and maintain open lines of communication and stay up to date with the offers, with the offering and capabilities with the suppliers, like daily day-to-day conversations about the pricing and the quality about the materials with the suppliers. Request for information. Send out request for informations to potential suppliers to gather information about their products, pricing and delivery terms. Like they will send us a catalog in which they mentioned all about their products and their specifications, quality standards. Like next other one is request for quotations. Issue RFQs to selected suppliers outlining the specific requirements and asking for detailed pricing information. Provide clear instructions to ensure accurate and comparable quotations. And the other one is negotiation and comparison, like analyze the received quotations and negotiate with suppliers to get the best possible pricing and terms. Like we can negotiate about the price compared with the other prices in the market. Compare the offers based on factors like price, quality, delivery time and after sale for support. Second one is soliciting competitive and accurate quotations. Like in this I have 4 points: clear and detailed requirements, reach out to multiple suppliers, competitive bidding process, supplier pre-qualification. Clear and detailed requirements. Provide suppliers with the clear and detailed specifications and requirements for the products or services being procured. This includes like quantity, quality standards, technical specifications, delivery timelines, and any other relevant details. Clear requirements help suppliers provide accurate quotations tailored to the project's needs. Other one is reach out to multiple suppliers, cast a wide network while reaching out to different suppliers to solicit competitive quotations. And this ensures that you have a range of options to choose from, and encourages suppliers to provide their best pricing as we compare with the other suppliers and negotiate about the prices. We can utilize the industry networks, online marketplaces, platforms, and supplier directories to identify potential suppliers. Other one is competitive bidding process. Like in a competitive bidding process, implement a competitive bidding process to encourage suppliers to submit their most competitive quotations. This may involve inviting suppliers to participate in a formal bidding process where they compete against each other to win the contract, and we will get a better offer from the suppliers. Clearly communicate with the evaluation criteria and selection process to ensure transparency and fairness. The other one is supplier pre-qualification. Consider pre-qualifying suppliers based on criteria such as experience, financial stability, quality standards, and past performance. Pre-qualification helps Ensure that you are engaging with reputable and capable suppliers who are capable for meeting your project requirements. It also streamlines the quotation solicitations process by focusing on qualified suppliers. Other point we have is about the criteria for evaluating quotations, in which we have further points like price, quality, reliability and reputation, delivery timelines. In pricing, we can compare the prices offered by different suppliers to identify the most effective option that aligns with your budget constraints. Like in quality, we can choose suppliers that can deliver high quality goods or services that meet your project requirements and standards. We can consider factors such as product specifications, certifications, warranties, and performance. Like in a reliability and reputation, we can research for the suppliers' track record, experience, references, and customer reviews to assess their capability and reliability. Like we can choose the suppliers with a proven track record of delivering of a time and meeting their commitments on delivery timelines. Assess the proposed delivery timelines provided by each supplier. We can choose suppliers that can deliver the required products or services within the desired time frame to avoid project delays. The other point is quality, compliance, and cost competitiveness assessment. Here we first explaining about quality assessment. We can look for certifications, standard compliance, and industry accreditations to ensure that products meet their quality and standards within the market and of the required quality standards. We can review the specifications provided by each supplier to assess the quality of the products or services offered. The other one is compliance assessment. We have to verify that each supplier complies with the relevant regulations and laws, standards, legal requirements applicable to the products or services being procured. We can check for their certifications, license, and permits that demonstrate compliance with industry specific regulations and best practices. The other one is cost competitive assessment. Compare the pricing offered by a supplier to determine their cost and competitiveness. We can request detailed breakdowns of pricing components to understand how costs are allocated and identify any potential areas for the negotiation or cost saving. And the value proposition assessment. We can look for suppliers that offer the best balance of quality and compliance at a competitive price in the market. We can consider any value-added services, warranties, or benefits provided by each supplier that enhance the overall value proposition in the project. And the last topic we have is the negotiation techniques for favorable pricing and contractual terms. Like in preparation, we can conduct through research on market prices and industry standards. We can identify your bargaining power and leverage points and define your product objectives and desired outcomes for the negotiations. Building relationships. We have to establish a rapport with the supplier based on trust and mutual understanding. Foster open communication and collaboration through the negotiation process. Contractual terms. Carefully review and negotiate the terms and conditions of the contract. Clarify expectations, responsibilities, and performance metrics. Value proposition. You have to clearly articulate the value and the benefits your organization brings to the supplier. Demonstrate how your partnerships can create long-term value for both parties. And here is the conclusion. Like in conclusion, we have explored a comprehensive array of strategies and techniques for effectively managing the process of sourcing supplier quotations from solicitation to negotiation, and this report each topic covered in this presentation contributes crucial insights and best practices to enhance your procurement capabilities and drive success in tender submissions. These are some of the references. Thank you.
Okay, good. Can you tell me, when we are doing evaluating the quotations, we have to look on the quotations, no? So can you tell me the components of a quotation?
Like components, like we have to check about the price, quality, delivery times. We
Okay.
have to request for their quotations, catalogs, etc.
Okay. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.